Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Bennington 23 RSB with the power cladded arch and bimini top. This is a beautiful boat. It has the rippled metallic silver main panel with a smooth ocean blue accent. And of course we got to add the blackout package to this boat to give it that extra pop. This boat is a tritoon and has our 32-inch oval elliptical tritoon package on it, and is powered by an incredible 350 horsepower Mercury V10 Verado. Lots of great features on this boat, like the extended aft deck for lots of room. This boat is the swingback model, so you have a rear lounger with cup holders and radio controls. Another great feature of this boat is the lily pad ladder. This ladder is cable assisted, so it makes it very easy to pick up and deploy and gives you a nice large tread to get in and out of the boat comfortably. Let's go inside and take a look. Thanks for joining me inside. As you can see, this boat has the graphite interior main color with the ocean blue inlay, diamond pressed and diamond stitching with the ocean blue stitching as well. This boat has the premium Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade with 8 speakers and a subwoofer, including the tower speakers for that true surround sound feeling. This boat has lots of features like removable cup holders, flip down armrests, wireless chargers on the inlay. Coming around to the wraparound bench seat and the swingback seat, which is a convertible seat, so you can flip this lounger from forward to backwards. This will also recess to make a flat surface, and then you can pop up the backrest back here to have an interior laying seating arrangement as well. Very easy to use, very comfortable as well. With the bimini top on this boat, you can get lots of coverage from the sun on those hot days as well. One of my favorite features on this boat is the new Vivid dash and console. Just an incredible layout. You have 3 screens on this boat. Your 7-inch touchscreen to the left controls all the boat's features, the RBG lights, the floor lights, the stereo, the power tower. The main 12-inch screen displays all your gauges, including fuel economy and fuel range. And then of course we have a large 12-inch Simrad over here to the side that has all your built-in Mercury information and chart plotter GPS as well. Lots of features on this console. We have the digital throttle for very crisp and easy, smooth shifting. Another wireless charger down here underneath the dash. A quick access to get to your radio volume if you don't want to go through the touch screen. And of course, this console is elevated as well, just to give you a raised look over the front of the bow of the boat. Would love to show you this boat in person and all the features it has to offer. It's an incredible riding boat, probably one of the best and smoothest rides on the lake. Come by and see us here at MarineMax in Greenville.